So hi guys, today we will create this kind of thumbnail, and I will guide you how you can create this thumbnail. And the best thing, we don't create this kind of graphic our own, we can simply copy from someone else. So let's start this video. This is a very interesting thumbnail right now. It's take my 5 years to collect those assets like video editing assets, sound effect assets, thumbnail design assets, all those material that modern day video editor and thumbnail designer need. If you need, it's cost only $10. Contact me for more information. So guys, first thing I will show you the thumbnail that I download from YouTube. You can download using vidIQ extension or many other sites. You can just paste link and download the thumbnails. Okay, so you can see this kind of thumbnails I download from internet. Now what I can do, simply I can, first thing I can change the background color. Okay, for this I use orange color in background. So as I add the colors, I will add this right here, and let's, okay, I think here it will best. The second thing I can add is I will add this text from Urdu, and this is Urdu text. Okay, so yeah, we can paste right here. Okay, so now we can add this computers. Okay, so first thing we can do is we can simply choose this AI tool, Yes. Okay, Control X and paste right here. I can make it small. Okay, now I will copy this. Okay, so I will go right there, and now I have to create a layer of this. Okay, so I can simply paste this screen to right here. Okay, so now guys, we can add some text. So I will click here and add the text. Now we will adjust the text. Okay, so we can create this kind of. Okay, now we have to go in blending options. Just simply click right here and add a stroke, and also you can click to color overlay. Now we have to choose the color, which color is match well. I think green is good. Also this color is very visible. Okay, so click to strike, and as you click to stroke and just decrease the value of stroke. Okay, I think this thumbnail is very good. Now we can add one more thing. So we have this text. Okay, now this is. So this is a thumbnail guide. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any kind of question or query, you can ask me anytime.